Okay. Pandesal run. Strength in numbers. Bossing! Pwedeng dalhin mo kami sa Estela and bilhin ng pandesal?
It's a sign.
Oh, ikita mo. Number 2. King, it's you. Oh, sige, pasok. King, go on. Sige, ano ba?
Gentle, you can sit there.
Go sit there. Show me yung nanay. Okay, tara. Oh, yes. Kasya ba ako? Kasya.
Dapat ilagay mo din yung ano.
Yes. King, are you there? Hello, gentle.
Hawak ko dapat kay King. Babaan na ba ako?
Sa kabila. Kasya ako ron, sakit sa likod. Gano yung bossing? Ha? 20? Gentle, give it to the man. Say thank you. Salamat bossing. Okay, come on. Let's go get our pandesal. Oh, Gentle, go ask for pandesal. No, see, ano, King. Wait, get 60 pesos worth of pandesal. Teka. Sama mo sila para makita rin. Yeah, strength in numbers. I was gonna say you should have held it, but we'll just walk on the way home. Go on, Gento. Ask for pandesal. Say, pandesal, pabili po.
60 pesos na pandesal po.
Ayan. Gento, have a look. You can see where the pandesal is. Show Gento the pandesal.
Look,
They're just there, look. Can you see the pandesal, Gento? Oh, padaan. Makikiraan. Kaharang kayo dyan. Yan, have a look. Get the pandesal. Oh, yes. Look, Gento, that's where they bake it. Have a look, there. There, it's just been fresh, King. They just took it out of the oven, look. Oh. See that? Gento? You can smell it. Po? Oh.
Hindi yun, ni Kuya.
Kuya. Ayun dalawa, hindi mo magtagalog. Di ko kayo naintindihan.
Ay, ganon.
Oo.
Saan laki?
Sa London po.
Ay, kaya naman pala.
Oo.
Meron niyang ano, may swang. Meron.
Oo. Accent, British accent siya. You can eat it fresh. Nagdala na nga ng peanut butter tsaka ano.
May knife.
May knife pa.
Nila yung tinapay.
Oo.
Ay, salamat naman.
Ayan, King, hold it, gentle. Oh, hot yan. Hold it. It's warm.
Ba't doon na ba yung pinanganak lahat?
Pareho po. Oo.
Ay, ang galing naman.
Yan na? Salamat, bossing.
Salamat.
Tita, good morning po. Thank you. Kawanin.
Kayo.
Salamat
Galing
po.
ng London dito.
Opo ba? Yan, King. Eat it while it's warm.
Hold everything at once.
Okay, here. Give me the bread. And you can do your pandesal. Hey, gentle. What's your tatay? Huh? Open it. Open the thing. And give me the... Put the thing here. The cover.
In the bag.
In the cover in the bag so you can start eating. Gentle.
Yung breakfast sauce. Pabalik naman si kuya dun eh. Dapat pinaganda.
No, ka lang. Ah, meron ka rin dyan kung gusto mo. Kaso kakain si King nga eh.
Oh.
Trying to eat.
Yeah. What's your knife?
Saan ka nakakadip-dip?
Yeah, if you want to dip it. Sabay tayo, para kita tayo dito ng ating pandesal. Dito kayo sa kanan pa.
No, it's hot.
Ah, isn't it? Just yung plastic ko. Strength in numbers, get your pandesal. Gento? Was that fun? In the tricycle? Did you see how Tata fitted just?
Yeah, you see how I was that so I was quick.
Kuya had the best view.
My hair.
Huh? Ah. More pandesal, King. King. It's just been cooked. Did you see the oven? It's just like that. Every day we used to do this, nearly, not every day, as much. Ooh. Hot pandesal? Huh? Okay, come on. Let's go back and get our pandesal. Look here, King. Strength in numbers. Pandesal. Pandesal. Okay, let's go home. Wait na. Bye.